Young entrepreneur Joella Buhendwa is transforming organic waste into animal feed and fertilizer in Bukavu, farming black soldier flies to support agriculture in the Democratic Republic of Congo. The insects go through a four-stage life cycle, with the larval stage being the most important, as they consume large amounts of waste for 14 to 21 days and can reduce organic material by up to 80% in under 3 weeks.
Alors, on stérilise les déchets. Après cette étape-là, voilà.
So we sterilize the waste. After that step, the flies lay their eggs. Then we collect those eggs. And when they hatch, the larvae feed on the waste to grow. When they reach a certain size, we'll dry them and process them. But before drying the larvae, we will extract oil that will be used in cosmetics. It's also important to note that while the larvae are decomposing the waste, the decomposed waste and the larvae's feces serve as fertilizer for the fields.
Voilà, les déchets décomposés, la matière fécale de larves sert d'engrais pour les champs.
Through her company Astifem, Buhendwa is applying a circular model to address waste management and agricultural input shortages. She said demand for her products remains strong, but production is constrained by limited equipment and space.
Alors, cet engrais...
So this fertilizer will be sent to the storage area, which will then be distributed to the agricultural sector. But the larvae will be processed, dried, and ground up to serve as animal feed.
Voilà, c'est comme ça que se passe tous les cycles.
BSF farming is increasingly seen as a suitable alternative to traditional feed sources. Valued at around $1.8 billion in 2026, the sector is rapidly expanding, driven by demand for waste reduction and alternative protein. Beyond production, Buhendwa is involved in youth and community initiatives, including serving as vice president of the You Report Girls Club and working as a peace ambassador for UNICEF and the ProSunny USAID program.
Pour eux, jusque-là, c'est pas
The
vraiment...
community hasn't accepted black soldier fly farming yet. For them so far, it's not really an interesting line of work, especially since you have to deal with waste and bad smells and everything, and even more so because we are women. It's a bit repulsive and society doesn't approve. But aside from that, we also face a major challenge in production. Demand is high, really strong.
Le fait que voilà, on n'a pas un espace